Hello everyone, welcome back to the Marketing Automation Software channel. Today, I will guide you on how to automatically bulk post in Facebook groups using MKT Care software. Steps to auto post in Facebook groups. First, select the viral marketing feature and go to the group posting section. Adjust the number of Facebook accounts running simultaneously. Choose the content you have previously added to the software. Enter the group ID where you want to post and save it. Finally, select the account and click Start. Enjoy the video, and see you in the next one. Smiling face with smiling eyes.